Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Brianna and today I actually have a special video for you today. So it's actually a video to kind of show you how you're going to get these easy heatless overnight waves that are basically effortless. I actually wear these a lot. They're amazing, especially because I have kids. I don't have a lot of time in the morning to get ready. So these just kind of are absolutely effortless and they're so easy. I just take them off in the morning and you So right here, I'm just going to part my hair and just brush it starting at the bottom. You're just going to go all the way through until it feels smooth. So I'm actually just going to go ahead here and separate one section off and just get it out of the way. And then I'm just going to brush the other side. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and put my cream through it just to kind of defrizz my hair because my hair actually gets very frizzy. Then I'm going to start by separating into two pieces here, and then we're just going to twist away from your face. And then you're just going to twist again, and then you're going to grab a piece to the front and twist back as well. Make sure this is tight. I do a little twisting as I go just to kind of make it hold, but you want to make sure it's tight. So right here, I'm just going to part my... Once you've gotten to the bottom, you're going to go ahead and twist each piece in opposite directions. I'm going to kind of show you what it's going to look like if it doesn't twist away from each other, because in the end they'll be too loose and it's just so easy for them to fall apart in the night. So on the other side, I'm going to show you exactly how it should look and what the difference looks like. So as you can see here, one side is tightly twisted and the other side is super loose. So it's really easy for the other side to fall out in the night. So I'm just going to show you, I showed you what the difference is and I'm going to fix the other side so it works. Alright, so it is morning time now, as you can tell because I'm wearing my comfy shirt. So I am just going to untie my braids, and I'm just going to start at the bottom and take part going up. If you start at the top, it really kind of ruins the braids, and I noticed while I was doing this that my hair was still damp because I only slept for about like 5 hours last night. So I did have to touch mine up a little bit on the top. But most of the time you should have no problem as long as, you know, you're getting your normal of 7 to 9 hours of sleep. If you did try this video, be sure to comment in the description down below and let me know how it turned out. If you do like these videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and then also hit the bell so that you get notified every time I post. I am trying to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday right now. It's a little hard, but I'm trying to get content out there so everyone kind of can find me and see my content and get my little mom hacks. I have changed my name to Bree's Mom Hacks as well. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.